Welcome to my shed again. Today we have a different kind of than a drill, but it's a ferrex screwdriver. Now with this one, I bought this because sometimes you need a job where a drill is just too much, putting furniture up, putting a small shelf on the wall, etc, etc. But I was in Aldi's and I seen this and it was $14.99 and it's a 4-volt Li-ion screwdriver. It's got a USB charging cable. It's got a 3-gear torque adjustment to suit various applications. It's perfect for furniture assembly and jobs around the home. Is this recording? Yes, it is. So dual LED lights, great for poorly lit areas. Reverse button to easily unscrew. Battery indicator button for low battery warning, and it includes a 27-piece accessory kit to cover a variety of tasks. Now, I bought the Pro drill, the brushless Pro drill from Aldi's. Didn't even get any drill bits with it, nothing, just the drill. And I'm thinking, hey, come on, throw a bit of something in, make people who buy it feel good. Do you agree? Even if the drill bits are crap. Is this the same? Yeah, it says the same on there, and on the back it says the same as well. So let's take this. Oh, cheapers, creepers. You get a little plastic case with it. Handy for the shelf somewhere in the shed or in the cupboard in the house. Depends where you want to keep it. It's got what I can imagine is a little mixing paddle. So when you put it on, you can mix, whatever you want to mix, paint, resin, etc, etc. That's nice. It's got some different, let's have a look. How are you supposed to get that out? Hang on a minute. Oh, yeah. It's a Phillips screw tip. The back in there. Whoa, where'd that go? Oh, look at that. That went flying down there. And that's the adjustment for the actual holder for the screwdriver tips. So if you take, for example, I don't know, has it got a size on there? No, it's a shame. They could have put the size on it, like M1, etc., M5. Well, maybe I'm just... Whoa, you can't get up. Oh, there you are. So you put it on there. Oh, and it's magnetic, which is nice. If you can see that, that clicks in. Nice. Nothing worse when you're going to do a bit of screwing and you put the screwdriver down and the bit falls on the end and you think, oh. So that's that. Here is the USB-C, which is alright, decent length, 0.5 meter. And you've got the actual, it looks quite posh, doesn't it, really, when you think about it. It's got different strengths for torque. That's the fastest. Let's have a look. Is that magnetic? No. That trigger is very light. It fits nice in your hand, to be fair. You've got a good grip in your hand. Nothing on the back, just telling you what it is. So if you put it on the third, I'm assuming 3 lights is the strongest torque. Oh yeah, look at that. Nope. No, I'm not stopping that. Oh. And it's down to 1. Whoa. It's quite strong. 2. And 3. And the paddle, I assume, just fits in as it is. Yeah. And if you want to see that, so if you want to go mixing something, that's quite handy. But I don't know if I'll be mixing anything. Paint. I could be mixing paint with that. I don't know how long it'll last. It's quite strong. There's no way you. Oh. They're still in Aldi's at the moment, and we're talking, the date is in the beginning of October. So if you fancy one of these yourself, let's have a look on the back there. That trigger is very light. Very responsive. And this is a cover for the charger, I assume. And get it open. Oh well, leave it closed. So that's it. That's it until the next time. If you want one of these, $14.99 in Aldi's. I'll see how good it is eventually. Got some furniture to put up as well, so put this all back in there. And that'll go. Where did that go? Just anywhere? Did that just sit there like that? I'm sure it did, didn't it? Did it? There you are. That'll go there. Is there an off on it? Can you turn it off? No, there is no off. No, there. I would have rather I could turn it off. You know, decent lights on it. Okay. What's this? Oh, so if you want to hang it on your shelf, on a nail or something in your shed, perfect, I guess. Okie dokie. If you like this video, please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm trying to get my best to get to 500 subscribers, and it's going well so far. So until the next time, take care. Bye bye.